Welcome to Mint Budgeting.
Mint makes managing your finances simple. In this guide, you'll learn how to create your very first budget in Mint. We'll walk through signing up, linking your accounts, setting up categories, and tracking your expenses, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear overview of your money and a plan to stick to your goals.
Creating your Mint account.
To start, visit the Mint website or download the Mint app. Sign up using your email address and create a secure password. After verifying your email, log into your new account. Setting up your profile is quick and sets the stage for connecting your financial data and making your first budget.
Linking your bank and credit accounts.
Mint works best when it's connected to your financial accounts. Choose from a list of supported banks, credit card providers, and lenders. Enter your login information for each account. Mint securely imports your transactions, making it easy to track spending. Seeing all your balances in one place brings powerful insights into your financial habits.
Setting up your first budget.
Next, go to the Budget section. Mint automatically suggests budget categories based on your transactions, like groceries, rent, and entertainment. Review these categories, adjust the monthly limits as needed, or add your own. Try to set realistic spending targets that reflect your lifestyle and financial goals. Remember, your budget is flexible and can be updated at any time.
Tracking expenses and staying on track.
Mint categorizes your expenses as they come in. You'll get a clear breakdown of where your money goes each month. Check your dashboard regularly to see how you're doing compared to your budget. If you overspend in a category, Mint can alert you and even suggest adjustments. Staying informed helps you make better choices and reach your savings goals.
Tips for maintaining your budget.
Update your budget as your needs change, such as new expenses or income sources. Use Mint's tools to set up alerts for bill payments and budget limits. Review spending trends for insights on where you can save more. By consistently checking your Mint account, you'll be able to adjust your habits and keep your finances on track throughout the year.